This is how you make a lot of money selling to moms. Yes, moms. So, before I go forward, I found a few designs that sell to moms, and here are some of the numbers. So, this design right here just sells an image to moms, okay? Just did a picture, and this makes 47,000. And how do I know that? Using a spy tool like Everbee, I can see that for 23 months straight, this listing is making $2,000 a month. Now, if we do simple math, 2,064 times 23, that's $47,000. Or this design, which sells a Never Let Anyone Dull Your Sparkle, which is mostly mom buyers buying this. This made 9,000, and this averages about 463 a month. Just this one file, okay? Now, it made 463 for the past 20 months straight. Some simple math, 20 times 463, it's about $9,000, right? So you're wondering, why do moms buy these designs? They print them out for special occasions. Designs are cheap. They want to print it out, put it on clothing, and it's flexible because they can do whatever they want. And now I discovered, what more could a mom want than having mama on their shirt? I found this product, which has multiple people selling it, and everyone is a bestseller or with the Popular Now badge. So I found this design right here. They're selling the word mama on a sweater, and it's selling every day. And if I use my spy tool here, it made $1,500 last month, and all time it's made $23,000. So I realized, you know what? We can actually sell mama as well on a sweater, right? So using AI, ChatGPT, I went and I typed in the following prompt. I said, create a stylish and creative t-shirt design with the word mama as the central element. The design should be bold, eye-catching, and versatile. By the way, before I continue, if you don't know how to write all this, you can just tell the AI, ChatGPT, you want the mama design and you want them to make the prompt and make it enhanced, and they'll make it all detailed like this for you. So it's going to have all these details, thoughtful gift, artistic typography, pattern, symbolic designs. And once you have all this, just tell ChatGPT to generate the detailed prompt. And then here is the result. I told it to also make a few more styles. So we have a artistic vintage styled one, we have a minimalist one, we have a cartoon one, and we have this floral one. So I took all of that, and then I'm like, okay, let's make our own version. You want to sign up to Printify. Printify is like a drop shipping provider where it will ship out clothing, physical items of the design that you print on it. So I can print out these designs, and it will sell it every time I make a sale. This company will ship it within the US with my printed mama design on it. So I did that. Once you're signed up, you basically want to make sure that you have an Etsy account. That's where you're going to be selling, right? You want to have listings like this. You want to connect your store. Then you want to go to catalog, women's clothing, go to sweatshirts. Here, you're going to choose a supplier, start designing. Then what's cool about this is there's actually an AI feature. So I can just type in mama text design. I can choose my style. So let's do none, just to show you how it works. And then I can start making my own version like this and start selling it and ship these sweaters out the moment customers buy them. And I'm using this thanks to Printful, right? Now, while that generates, what you're looking at here, these are called mock-ups. These are just AI generations of what the customer can imagine it would look like on themselves on a t-shirt. So the way you make that is you want to visit canva.com. It's a user-friendly platform to make visual content. Sign up. Then you're going to go on the Canva browser, go to apps. There's a section right here called mockups. You're going to click on that, and then apparel option, select t-shirt or sweaters. And then you have a variety of what you can choose from. And then from there, you can upload your design. So in this case, the mama, change the color, and then here you have mockups of your mama design. Pretty straightforward. And then as you can see, we have various options that we can start selling. And then look, Printify actually has their own AI that's built in, and I can customize it to my liking. And even if I'm increasing the size, the quality is still going to be enhanced within 300 dpi. So when they print this out, it's going to look good no matter what. And Printify as well has mockups that I could use for my listing on Etsy as well. So as you can see, we're generating some options. Let's take a look how they turn out. So you have two options. You can use Canva to make the mockups for your mama designs, or you can just put everything on Printify. And in my opinion, if you're going to sell print on demand, might as well have the AI with Printify and then your mockups with Printify. So I'm kind of showing you the options. If you don't want to use Printify, you have ChatGPT and Canva. But if you want everything together as the ultimate solution for print on demand, then I highly recommend just doing everything with Printify. And then I'm going to save product, and then I can list it right away on Etsy. Which brings me to my next section. Once Printify is done and we connected it to our Etsy store, you want to work on titles and descriptions. So primary keywords like mama t-shirt or printable shirt for graphic moms. Keep the titles clean and clear. Mention in the description that there's sizes. Add tags at the bottom of your listing. So mama, electric mama, oversized mama tee. You don't want to repeat the same words. Just look for good keywords. And then once you're all done all that and you have your mockup, everything's ready, you want to do marketing. So you can just post for free on Pinterest. You can literally post the images of your design straight on TikTok, and that will make you sales as well. You can also just run Etsy ads, which is amazing as well. And something else, because this is like digital real estate, you want to have different thumbnails to see which one is the best. So test out different colors, test out different designs, see which one works, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to know how to run this business, in the description, you will sign up to Printify so you can start doing this as well, and there's a guide. So that's pretty much how you run this business and how you make money selling to moms.